If TikTok is missing from your app store, don't worry. Here's how to re-download TikTok, whether you're using an iPhone or Android. There are two main methods of how to re-download TikTok after ban. But to do that, you'll need a VPN to change your virtual location. After testing multiple services, we found that NordVPN works best in this case. Plus, you can get an exclusive discount for it by scanning this QR code or through the link in the description. Once you have the VPN app, connect to a server in a country like Canada, where TikTok is available. If you're using an iPhone, the easiest method of how to download TikTok after the ban is creating a new Apple ID. First, make sure NordVPN is connected to your chosen country. Then go to your iPhone settings, tap your name at the top and sign out. Back in settings, tap Sign into your iPhone and choose to create a free Apple ID. For verification, you can use any phone number, even your US one. You'll get both a text and an email with different verification codes, so enter them when prompted. When asked for your region, select the country to which your VPN is connected to, like Canada in this case. Then, for the payment method, you can choose None. And now you know how to use TikTok after the ban. Just go to the App Store and re-download the app. Another method of how to download TikTok back is to change your Apple account's region. However, for that, you'll need to cancel all your active subscriptions and use up the remaining store credit. Plus, Apple will ask for a Canadian billing address and phone number. You can use a random address generator for this, as these details won't be used for verification. If you're using an Android and you're wondering how to download TikTok in the US, the main method is changing your Google Play region. First, make sure your VPN is connected to a different country. Then, in the Google Play Store, tap your profile picture. Go to Settings, then General, then Account and Device Preferences, and finally, choose Country and Profiles. Click on the country you want to switch to and complete the required steps. Then, you can open the Google Play Store and easily download TikTok app after ban. Alternatively, you can create a new Google account while connected to a VPN server abroad. Sign out of your current Play Store account and create a new one. And that's it. You can enjoy TikTok once more. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out the recommended VPN deals in the box on the side.